Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Moon Sunsets channel. I'm yours truly, Miss Mooney. At ating ngayong i-read ang iyong love spread. So, are you willing to listen to this ba? Maybe yung reading na to para sa'yo. Kasi, if you are water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, or Cancer, bakang reading na to kaya ka nandito ay para sa'yo, para malaman mo kung ano ba yung totoong intention or feeling sa'yo ng person mo. Let's see. Kung ikaw yung water sign na merong partner na Capricorn, Virgo, Gemini, at Aries, ang intention lang nila sa'yo ay ito. Okay, at first, ang nararamdaman nila is flirt. Okay? Tapos, love yourself and let your friends help you, passion, and give your relationship a chance. Okay? So, itong person mo na to, flirty to siyang tao. Wala siya talagang plan na magseryoso sa'yo. Okay? Pero the way na nakikita ka niya, na masyado kang alam mo yun, masyado kang guarded, nagkakaroon siya ng intention na magpatulong sa mga kaibigan niya. Gusto niya magpatulong, humingi siya ng advice sa mga friends niya para paano ba mapalapit sa'yo. Okay? At ayun nga, gusto niya maging romantically attractive yung dating niya sa'yo. Ito yung nararamdaman niya. Gusto niya maging romantically attractive ang dating niya. At gusto niya bigyan mo ng chance yung relationship niyo or partner niyo. Gusto niya, as a person, mumuntingnan yung relasyon niyo as flirting lang. So, yung mga person mo na to, kung yung mga person mo si Capricorn, Virgo, Gemini, Aries, gusto nila ng relasyon sa'yo. Hindi flirt. Dahil alam nila nag-umpisa lang lahat ito sa flirt. Okay? Ngayon, dahil ang nararamdaman nila, nagta-turn into real feelings na, hindi na flirting. So, lucky you, kasi powerful tong mga zodiac sign na to, no? Powerful tong mga zodiac sign na meron ka. So, kung water sign ka at yan ang partner mo, yan yung kasalukuyan na nararamdaman nila sa'yo. Nag-start lang kayo into flirting. Walang serious commitment. But now, gusto nilang maging attractive sa paningin mo at bigyan mo ng chance yung relasyon nyo at magtiwala ka at i-allow mo yung souls mo na mag-enjoy. Ibig sabihin, hindi na ka na magkaroon ng agam-agam. Let's see kung ano ba yung advice sa'yo ni Universe, water sign. Am I focused on what I want most? Am I consistently showing up? What I'm looking for outside myself that is already within me. Okay. Dito muna tayo sa am I focused on what I want most? One reason a few of us achieve that we truly want that we never direct our focus. We never concentrate our power. Most people double their way through life, never deciding to master anything in particular. What you focus on grows today. Ask yourself, is my life reflection my value or do I need to make it more adjustment and prioritize? So as a person, water sign, ikaw yung tipo ng taong walang focus. Ang dami mong gusto. Hindi ka nagbibigay ng masterpiece na isa lang. Bigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo mag-focus sa isang bagay kung saan ka mag-excel. Okay? Am I consistently showing up? Okay? Some trade their dreams on comfort, yet comfort is enemy. Okay, ang hilig kasi nating magstay lang sa comfort zone. You, Pisces, what do you call this? Cancer, at ayaw na nating lumabas sa comfort zone natin. So, yun yung kailangan mong aralin. Paano ka lumabas sa comfort zone mo para ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams and goals mo. At hindi ka magkakaroon ng maraming, alam mo na, hati-hating utak. I don't know how to explain that. Are you looking for more guidance, confidence, peace, wisdom, love, or something else? When we search outside ourselves, we can become overwhelmed, frustrated, and never feel quite good. So, finding everything you seek, all the answer you need to lie within you. Okay? So, as a person, sa dami mong gusto sa buhay, hindi mo ito makukuha. Ang kailangan mo mag-relax. Gawin mo yung daily task mo and, manifestation. Kung saan na lang itong darating sa'yo. So, water sign, I hope nakarelate ka at i-achieve mo yung goal mo. And thank you for watching.